In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla charging port not opening in your Model 3, Model S, or other Tesla models. If the charging port door is stuck or not responding, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by ensuring your car is powered on or at least in accessory mode, as the charging port may not respond if the vehicle is completely off. Try pressing the charging port button on your key fob, if available, or using the Tesla app to manually open the port. If it still doesn't open, inspect the charging port door for any visible obstructions, dirt or debris that might be preventing it from moving. Next, check if the charging port is frozen or stuck due to cold weather. In freezing temperatures, ice or condensation can block the port. Use the climate controls to warm up the car or gently apply heat to the area using a hairdryer or warm cloth to melt any ice. If the issue persists, reset the car's systems by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to restart the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, attempt to open the charging port again. For situations where the port remains stuck, try using the manual release method. For Model 3 and Model Y, locate the small release tab inside the charging port cavity. Use a thin tool, like a key or pen, to gently push the tab and manually open the port. For Model S and Model X, check your owner's manual for specific instructions on manually releasing the charging port door, as some models have hidden release mechanisms. If none of these steps work, there may be an issue with the charging port motor, wiring, or sensors. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. If this video helped you fix your Tesla charging port not opening issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.